Hello everyone, welcome to the Grab and Go series. Today we are going to show you how to roll and unroll a mat from the practical life area. This exercise helps to develop the eye-hand coordination skills, fine motor skills, and independence. Let's watch the presentation. Listen, today I'm going to show you how to roll and unroll a mat. Watch me and you may have your turn later. Now I'm going to show you how to roll back the mat. For more videos, follow us on all our social media platforms. See you again!